Welcome back. Today we are going to understand the use of the set. Set is very important and it is used. So set let us understand. Let's read this one. Set in SAP is a list of data. So set contains list of the data which is generally used in your report writing, substitution, validation and above program. So set contains certain data, list of the data. Okay, we'll understand why set is required in our validation. So there are four kind of set. First is basic set, then single set, then multi set, then key figure set. We'll see one by one. First, let us understand the requirement. Before that, let us go to our validation and we'll see practical. So we have written many validation. Let's say here. Okay, here only let's see. So here what we have written? We have written that whenever this company is there and this GL is there, then your your order should not be blank and your assignment field should not be blank. Now let's see here. I have one company code right now I have given. If I have two company, three company code, I can write here and I can and I can write and I can manage. Here I have one GL. For this GL only, these fields are mandatory. What if I have more GLs here? So two, three GLs are there is okay to write here. But if I have 100 GLs, for 100 GLs, my internal order should not be blank or my this field should not be blank. So if this kind of scenario comes when list of the values you want to use, you can create the set and that set you can use here. Okay. So let us understand. Let us create one set. So I'm going to create set for GL. So let's see. To create the set, you have to go to T code GS01 and give the set name. So like list of the GL. I'm giving like always start from Z, that is very good. Z, then we write like list of GL. Okay. Then give a table in which table you can find the GL. So that is SKA1 table. And when you want only one table and only one field, that is just GL number. So use basic set. Okay. Hit enter and give GL number field is SKNR. Okay, hit enter and this is how it gets open. Right here description GLs for internal order and assignment field. Some description is right. Now you give all the list of the GLs here. So which are the GLs you want to make this field and this field mandatory. Here you want to use which are the GL. So let's see. I want to use this GL. Okay, here I can you give here many GLs now. So go to FS00, give here list of the GLs. So 5 series. Then let's say this GL or let's say any other GL, expense GL. Let me select the GL or let me select this GL. Like that you can enter many GL here. List of the GLs you can enter 100, 200, 300, as many as GL you want to enter. Now this is the set number got generated. How set I have created? I given the set name. I since I'm creating the set for GL list, I given table T code sorry table SK1, then basic, then I given GL field SKNR. If let me show you, people may be not much aware about table and all those SKNR, and this is the field name I have given SAKNR. Now come here, and if you want to use set, so first let us delete this one. Come here in prerequisite, delete here GL account. Then you have to use in. Okay, so click in. Then you have to use set directory. Give the set name which you have created and enter here. Okay. Now this is the set got created. So now what you are telling to the system, whenever company code ATIN and number of the GL given in this set, okay, number of the GL given in the set. Here you are not giving the GL number in fact, okay. Let us double click and bring the technical name, double click and step back, okay. See here. Now what you're telling to the system that now you're not giving here GL number, BSEC count you're not giving here GL number, rather than you are giving here set. Okay, so always set is used by in. So you're telling that GL in this set. So whatever GLs are given in this set and this company code, now this field should not be blank. Now let us test it. Okay. So I hope so. To create the set, you have to use GS01 to display the set, GS0 to change the set, GS03 to display GS03. Let us see what GL we have given. Let's test with this GL. FB60. Give, make sure company code you have selected correctly. Give here, give 100, enter it. Enter it. This is cost center related issue. That is system, hit enter. See, now you are getting this error. Okay, so this is another set we have written. This is, so here I am telling that my, okay. Now see, this you are getting. This is the error message what you have written. See, please enter statistical order in assignment field. Why? Because you are using this GL. Other than these two GL, what you have given in the set, if you use, you will not get this error. Okay, other than these two GL, if you use, you will not get the error. Now let's use any other GL other than these two. Let's delete it. Set is very important, highly important. So you can use any GL. Let's say this GL I have not used in the set. So let's enter this GL. Give the cost center. Okay. So you don't have any error. Okay, so like this. So set, again I'm going to set, please understand the set. So set is created in GS01T code, in GS01T code. Okay, then again let me show you GS01. I want to create this list of the GL in the set. Now for example, I want to create a list of the company code. So Z list of company code. So company code, in which table you will be finding the company code? T001. Hit enter. Then what is the company code field name? This is the company code field name. Hit enter. list down all this company code field name here. So list of company code. This table and field name you have to know. Give here ATIN for example. This is applicable for ATIN. So whatever company code you want, you can enter all those things. We'll also be seeing while saving, it is not saved in the TR. So we'll understand how to move this set from one system to another system and save it. Now if you want to use that set, instead of writing one company code, if you want to use the set, come here, very simple. Then click here, delete this one. Sorry, everything got deleted. I would have 1 minute. Let's not saved it. Okay, no problem. Everything got deleted. So in company code in, then set name what you have created just now. This is the company code set name. Hit enter. So we are telling whatever company code is in this set and GL hcount GL given in set. Okay. Okay. So you are writing that company code given in this set and GL given in set, it is applicable. So for that company code and for that GL, this two fields should not be blank. So this is the meaning of the use of the set. So this is the basic. We have created basic set where one table you have entered, only one field you have entered, one table and one field. So if you give the table here and if you enter, select the basic, only one field you can enter. That is known as a basic set. We'll understand in subsequent class single set, multi set, other set, and other thing about the set. Please practice. Set is very important. Set will not be only used in validation or substitution. This also can be used in your report writing by ABAP or any ABAP program. So it's highly used. Thanks.